welcome back. So I feel like a completely different person with this freaking blue hair, and I'm actually really surprised that I've only ever done like blondes, browns, and I think maybe red tones on my channel. So I think it's definitely time to start to pump it up a little bit and get into these colors. Alright babe, so the hair that I'm wearing today, of course, is from Westkiss Hair. I did partner up with them to get their straight hair. I believe it's straight Brazilian, 24, 20, 22, and I believe an 18-inch frontal. As you guys can see, I completely chopped this hair up. So it is still in a straight texture. I, of course, bleached it, dyed it, and this is the final result. So if you guys have not already seen the first video up on this for how I kind of just chopped it up and kind of went about my day there, definitely make sure that you check that out. So as you guys know, I do already have, I believe, how to bleach hair or how to bleach bundles video. I think I have two different ones on my channel, one for like an entire unit and then one for the bundles itself. Use that same method to actually just bleach your bundle. So I did like an ombre on all of the bundles, including the frontal. I literally bleached his hair like until I could not bleach it anymore. I think that it got probably up to maybe, I would say, like a beige type of blonde, more so on the yellow side. Of course, I did not feel the need to tone it at all because of course I was going to be applying color. I just really wanted to make sure that I can get this blue to pop, but I didn't want it to be that kind of like brownish tone stuck in there because I knew I was going to be using greens and I just didn't want it to be that funky color. So if you guys haven't already seen those videos, definitely check that out if you guys are interested in how to get your hair bleached. So as for color, of course I could have gone in with a dye, but one of my favorite things to use are actually the Adore rinses. So they're a semi-permanent rinse. I actually used 3 different bottles. Literally only needed maybe about 2 because I still have a lot left over, but I kind of mixed and matched just kind of randomly. So throughout the hair I have tones of like a bluish teal color. I kind of have more royal blue in the front, or navy blue in the front, and then in the back it's a little bit more on the green emerald side. So it's a lot of tones going on in here. I literally just like sporadically put it in there. So the first color that I use is the 178 Royal Navy. So as you can see, it's kind of like a really purplish blue color. It actually looks really just regular blue in person, but as you're applying it to the hair, it's kind of purplish, so it kind of threw me off a little bit. Then I use the, somebody's calling me. Then I use the Adore 117 Aquamarine color. I can't talk. Aquamarine color. So this one is more, of course, that like teal, bluish green, somewhere in between. And then lastly, I use Emerald, which is 168. So this one gave me more so of the green tones, which I actually have a little bit more blended here. Like I said before, I sporadically put this on the hair. When I say that I did that, I literally painted it on, saturated the hair quite a bit. So the reason I'm actually wearing bangs instead of deciding to just kind of wear this like parted out, because I made a huge mistake of when I was bleaching my lace. I forgot to seal the lace. So as I started to put all the dye on it, and I mean saturate the semi-permanent dye, it started to leak through onto the lace. So around this area I do kind of have like some bleach stains, or I guess dye stains, which is not too bad. You wouldn't really have noticed it if I didn't really tell you about it had I parted out the hair, but I didn't really see the need for it. So but I just didn't want to go in with foundation and concealer and kind of just do the most. I really wanted a wig that I can just throw on and kind of be somebody else. Okay, so okay, I'm not like in disguise or anything, guys. But I just really wanted to do color and I just wanted to be effortless, so I didn't feel like going through all the hassle with that. Alright, sorry y'all, clearly I got the hotline today. Anyway, but yes, I mean, overall I'm actually extremely happy about the hair and the way that it turned out. As far as it taking the bleach, because I literally bleached the hair like 2 or 3 times, so that and the combination of me actually applying this color, the hair held up really good. It's still really soft, really shiny, as you guys can see, and it did not take very much to bleach the hair. Like I said, I just wanted it to be as light as possible, just so this application of dye kind of went on really easy. So I am extremely happy with it. I will make sure to leave all the details down in the description box below. Like I said before, I literally just saturated the hair. Like, I don't have any great pointers or tips, which is kind of pointless because I'm giving you a video about how to achieve this blue color, so I feel really bad. And what I'm actually going to do is I want to kind of perfect it. I don't like to just put videos out there. What I'm going to do is pretty much get some more hair. Of course, y'all know I'm reviewing hair all the time. Once I get more bundles, which I already have, I'm thinking I'm going to do it to some body wave hair, probably short, just to kind of keep it short and sweet. I am going to film that way you can literally see a detailed tutorial of how I got this blue hair and you're not like freaking out and going crazy. So hope you guys like it. This is really quick, straight to the point. I just have it up in like a half up, half down type of style. And yeah, that's it. This is how I'm going to be wearing this for a little bit. Just something to do when there's nothing to do. But anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.